Yeah. Well, remember, I'm over, so take it easy on me. Okay, now. If it gets to be too much, just pat the old man 3 times. Tap 3 times. Yeah, you got it.
What's the matter? What's going on? Is that your Christmas tree? Is that yours, Zoya? Don't look at me. What you staring at me for? Oh, my pretties. Oh, look at those faces. Look at those faces. They're so protected, they are.